everyone! Today, I'm going to show you a creative transition effect that you can achieve using just a crop feature. If you're interested, don't miss this tutorial. Start VideoProc Flagger. Create a new project. Import all your prepared materials. Find this button and click it to add multiple overlay tracks. Drag the video onto the video track and adjust its duration. Open the Transitions panel in the upper left corner and drag a video transition to the beginning of the video. Adjust the duration. Then, use the Split tool to cut the video. Press the shortcuts Ctrl and C to copy the second half of the clip. Paste it 4 times onto different overlay tracks. Select one of these clips. Find the crop icon in the toolbar. Adjust the box to choose 1/4 of the image. Click Apply to save the changes. Select the next clip, enter the crop editor panel, and select another quarter of the image. Select Apply and return to the main interface. Repeat this process for the remaining 2 clips. Now, let's fine-tune these clips. We're going to head into the inspector for each one and adjust their scale and position. In the preview window, we'll piece together the complete image. Once we're done, we can select one of the clips. Find the motion icon in the toolbar and click on it to edit the motion effects. On the first frame, click Add Keyframe. Adjust the size of this box until it fills the whole screen. Move the playhead forward and click Add Keyframe again. This time, shrink the box to make this smaller. Give the keyframe a speed-up curve. Then, add a third keyframe without making any changes. Finally, on the last frame, click Add Keyframe and tweak the rotation value. Move the box around until it's off-screen. Then add a speed down curve to it. Alright, you've got your first motion effect. Let's move on to the next clip and edit its motion effects. The method for adding keyframes is exactly the same as before. The only difference is that when editing the last keyframe, pay attention to the direction the box moves off-screen. Head back to the main interface and complete adding motion effects to the remaining 2 clips. Once you're done, drag a new video onto the timeline. And then that's it. Let's start by completing the basic editing for this video, then use the Split tool to divide it into several parts. Next, drag a new video onto the timeline. Adjust its timing so that it appears after the transition. Now, open the Effects panel in the top left corner and find the Circular Mask effect. Drag it 3 times to the effects track and adjust the duration to align with the 3 clips. Select the first effect clip and go to the inspector to define its scope. Adjust the properties to make the circle smaller. Repeat this process for the last effects clip, making the circle even smaller. Now, drag a new video to an empty track and complete its basic editing. Use the split tool to divide it into several parts. And then select the first clip and add a fading effect to it. Next, add the circular mask effect to correspond to the 3 clips. Adjust the timing. And then go to the inspector to define the scope, properties of each clip. This should create the effect of the circle growing larger until the video appears. Finally, drag another video to an empty track and complete its basic editing. Then go to the inspector. Adjust the scale of each of these 3 clips. Make them gradually smaller until they disappear. This will complete the transition to the next video. Plus, music also matters. Alright, that's all for today's tutorial. If you want to see more creative tutorials, be sure to follow us. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye!